I won't pray my prayer. Then who won't go, will not go. I want to pray my prayer. Since the time when this country turn, let me pray my prayer and sign out. The level of cheating in Nigeria is too much. And women, they are the number one. Now I want to pray. Men, I need your amen. Any woman here where they cheat on the husband, Okada go jam am, now her Jesus. And somebody say, right up, man of God. If you are a woman here, you are cheating on your husband, Okada go jam in, now her Jesus. Any woman here, when they jump from one man to another, you dey deceive the man where you sit down with, thunder go fire you. Any woman where they here, the man don't say na go do mbebe after flexing. You go reach there, go say, I dey kick foul. I am on. May you not stop killing foul, now Jesus. Any woman where they here, you dey use Ngozi Amarachi, they store another man number for phone. May you never receive any better call. Women in a talk to answer amen. Any man where they cheat on a wife, I don't care if you are the DPO of Ogogo. I don't care if you are the DPO of Ajagbadi. I don't care if you are the owner of New Planet. As far as you are cheating on your wife, you dey jump from one woman to another. You know all the price of hotel for a chop. You dey carry different women. You go say you wan go peace, carry another woman, go somewhere. Let me tell you, as far as you've ever cheated on your wife, or you are about to cheat, any business you put your hand. Any business you put your hand. As far as you are cheating on your wife, God go bless you. God go favor you. God will prosper you. It shall be well with you. Thank you very much, my name is Danfo.
Keep on clapping. DJ Bulan. Aburu na ekpere okpere dị gị mma n'obi. Kụọla ya aka. Ụmụ nwaanyị agaghị akwa aka. Lekwe ma ọ mị ara n'anya. Ị ga-asị Chineke kpọkwa Danfo ọkụ. Ị gakwara nga akụ inyo taịkwa na asị. Then you. Alright, this night is the night of 1,000 laughs.